AI tools like ChatGPT are becoming part of how students learn, but how you use them really matters. In this video, I want to show you how to use AI to help with your homework in a way that helps you learn, not just complete assignments. The most common mistake students make is simply pasting their assignment prompt directly into AI, copying the output, and submitting it as their work, all without checking for accuracy. When they rely too heavily on AI to do the work for them, a few things tend to happen. The answers become super generic, the examples are often weak and vague, and the writing doesn't sound like them. It's very robotic, cold. Most importantly, there's very little learning taking place. You can use AI as a really powerful study tool. For example, you can ask it to explain difficult concepts, summarize material, generate practice questions, and even help you brainstorm ideas. Used strategically, it can support your learning rather than replace it. Here's a simple example of how it can be used to explain difficult concepts. Let's say you're struggling with something like why time moves slower near a black hole. You can ask AI to explain it in simpler terms, and then if you still don't understand a certain piece of it, you can ask AI to dive deeper into that specific component. It'll break it down in a way that's easier to understand, and then it can tailor the learning experience for you. You can also use AI to summarize material. But instead of just pasting in an entire chapter, ask AI to summarize a topic, a concept, a model. This can help you review new material and reinforce what you've already learned. Another useful approach is generating practice questions. You can ask AI to create all different types of questions: true, false, multiple choice, short answer, essay, and it gives you a way to test your knowledge before you take the quiz, the exam, the certification test. And then AI can grade your answers so you can get immediate feedback. And finally, AI can be a great brainstorming buddy. If you're stuck getting started or you don't know what to do next in a project, AI can help you generate ideas, come up with solutions or possible directions without doing the work for you. Before submitting your homework, you can ask AI to estimate a grade and explain what could be improved. For example, you might say, I'm a college student, below is my response. Please review it as a professor and give feedback. Then you can ask it to evaluate specific criteria like clarity, strengths, weaknesses. If your instructor allows it, you can also provide the assignment instructions and the grading rubric along with your written response. If your instructor does not allow you to share course materials with AI, you can still use it to get feedback. Instead of pasting the instructions or rubrics, you can ask it to critique your submission like a professor would, identifying unclear sections, finding what's missing, and challenging any assumptions you made along the way. It's also important to remember that AI is not perfect. It can and does make mistakes. It can and does repeat common misconceptions. So you should always verify the information and don't assume it's automatically correct. The key takeaway is this: AI can be a powerful learning tool, but only if you use it to support your thinking, not replace it. The goal is still to understand the material, to build a foundation of knowledge, and to start to develop the skills you'll need later on in life.